This is day 5 of finding a bird's nest in our backyard. I don't want to keep messing with the bird, waiting for the bird to leave so we can put a camera up. So right here, we're just checking on the birdie. They're just chilling. It's a nice day. I'm like, yo, let me set up the ladder. Let me get prepared so I could get this camera set up. Boom, got it set up and in place. The camera is just attached to the ladder right now. And it just gives us a closer view on the nest. When mom leaves, I want to go up there and then attach the camera on a branch above the nest. That's the goal. I don't want to scare off the birds. We're going to take our time with this. The camera picked up this motion about 8:29 p.m. Looks like mom bird just came back. She jumps on the tree and then goes to the nest. That was the only motion that it caught for today. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys follow for more, and we'll see you tomorrow.